What's up, y'all? I am back with another video. Another bike riding video, that is. And I will be showing you how I ride. Again. Oops.
There it goes. Can't see him out there that good, but he out there. Let's see if I can zoom it. There you go.
Okay, guys. I'll see you in another video. Bye.